Some food facts sound fake, but they're real. Did you know bananas are berries? But strawberries are not. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found honey in ancient tombs and it was still edible. Apples float in water because 25% of an apple is air. And here's a crazy one. Nutmeg can cause hallucinations if taken in large amounts. Also, spicy food doesn't actually burn your tongue. It tricks your brain into thinking you're in pain. Food is way stranger than we think. Which fact shocked you most? Follow for more.